how can you be using sugar to scrub your downstairs area? Girl, infection will not see you again. Like, you can't see me infection. Like, you need a kit, because if you don't have a kit, everything will just be scattered everywhere. When you are looking for your pant liner, you will not see it. You all know that whenever I do this dance, it means that I am excited. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about what every girl should have in her feminine hygiene kit. Like, we mostly talk about what we should have in our handbag, what we should have in our makeup kit, or what we should have in our eyebrow kit, but nobody really talks about what a girl should have in her feminine hygiene kit. Every girl needs a feminine hygiene kit, and this is my own feminine hygiene kit. Is it feminine or feminine? I don't really know, but this is my own feminine hygiene kit, and I'm going to show you guys every single thing that is in my kit and every single thing that should be in your kit if you don't have a kit. Okay, so guys, I want to open up my kit and show you what is inside my kit. I'm just going to be very careful opening this because there are so many things that can break inside this kit. But this is my own feminine hygiene kit. This video is actually sponsored by a company called Salt.xo. You all know that whenever I do this dance, it means that I am excited. Salt.xo, they sent me 3 of their products to try out, and these products are part of this feminine hygiene kit because when I try this product, I'm like, yo, this product is giving what it is supposed to give. And I'm like, these products have to be part of the feminine hygiene kit because there is no way in this world that these products will not be in this kit. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm just showing you all my nails. Like, I did my nails and I'm so excited. I'm just like, you know, putting my nails out in your face. Okay guys, so these products, let me show you guys the product. They sent me their body scrub. This is a body scrub nourishing exfoliator. Guys, when I use this body scrub to exfoliate my vagina area, like, I did not recognize my vagina anymore. I'm like, what is going on? Like, the glow this leaves your vagina with is just something else. I also use this to exfoliate my body. This is a nourishing exfoliator and it contains glycerin. So glycerin is, like, you know, you all know that glycerin is a moisturizing ingredient. So when you use it to exfoliate your body, when you use it to exfoliate your vagina, like, it is going to make your vagina to glow. Guys, this is a sugar scrub. I know you all might be scared, like, how can you be using sugar to scrub your downstairs area? Guys, please do not be afraid of anything because I have used this on myself. I used this 2 days ago. Yeah, I shaved 2 days ago, so I used this before I went ahead to shave. So, like, guys, even if it is a sugar scrub, like, it just melts into your skin. So it is not like it is like hard like sugar. Like, if you use it to exfoliate your skin, like, it melts into your skin. It melts into your skin and it leaves your skin with this beautiful glow. The product that they sent me was this yoni gel. This is a feminine wash. So this yoni gel is what you will use to wash your downstairs area. This thing should be in your feminine hygiene kit. Guys, prior to when I started using this, I was using, you all know that if you follow my channel very well, you all know that I used to use Dudu Osun fragrance free soap to wash my pubic region. That's what I was using, and to be honest guys, it's always used to work for me. But when I used this thing 2 days ago and used it yesterday, to be honest, I don't think I will ever go back to using Dudu Osun because this thing does what it is supposed to do. Like, it is giving what it is supposed to give. And this is not just a feminine wash, like, it also helps to fight bacteria, gently neutralizes odor, and helps to maintain a healthy pH. As a girl, you know that your pH down there has to be balanced. If your pH is not balanced, there is going to be trouble. There is going to be trouble in your vaginal space. So you have to make sure your pH is always balanced, and this product is going to help your pH to be balanced. This product is what you should be using to wash your pubic region. I know people always say you can just use water to wash your vagina. It is fine if you want to use water, but you can also use a feminine wash. Many people are scared of feminine washes, but to be honest guys, this one, I have used it on myself and this is something that you all should try out. The product smells so nice, and the good thing about this product is that they are all they are made with natural ingredients and they are cruelty free, so you do not have to be afraid that it contains any chemical. There is no chemical inside because I have used it. I can perceive it that it is made of natural ingredients, and it just has, if you use it to wash your vagina, and like, it just leaves your vagina with this cool feeling down there. Like, there's just something about this wash. it is so perfect. Like, it helps to fight bacteria. Like, if you're always having bacteria, yeast infection, one infection, if you use this to wash that part of your body, girl, infection will not see you again. Like, you can't see me infection. The third product they sent me is this Femme Rejuve oil, and this is another product that I have in my feminine hygiene kit. So this is their Femme Rejuve oil, and guys, to be honest, let me just tell you something now before I even proceed further in this video. Guys, this Femme Rejuve oil, I think this is one of the best products. Like, this is my favorite of all the three that they sent me, because this product, like, it's just it suits the vagina. What I mean suits, like, it calms it down. Like, if your vagina is always, I don't know how to explain it, this thing is just going to calm it down, and it's just perfect. Like, guys, if you shave, like, after shaving, this oil is something that you should use to moisturize. This is a moisturizing oil, and it is perfect when you are done shaving, when you are done bathing. You can use this to moisturize your vagina area. And guys, this thing is natural. Like, it's natural. There is no chemical. There is nothing like chemical or anything that will affect you down there. It is made with avocado oil, almond oil, orange extract, lemon extract, vitamin E, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. So as you can hear from the ingredients, there is nothing like chemical anything. These are all natural products. Smells so nice. Like, all the oils mixed together, everything, like, it just smells so nice. And guys, this thing is a rejuvenating oil, and it promotes arousal and soothes the vulva. Like, you all know when I mean promotes arousal. I don't need to start explaining deep, because I believe we're all grown adults here. This thing helps to promote arousal. So if you are not someone that gets aroused very easily, this is going to help to promote arousal, and it's also going to help to decrease inflammation. And this inflammation, I think, like, after shaving, you know, all those bumps and all that hyperpigmentation and all that stuff, this oil is going to help to take care of it. Okay, I'm going to go into details into shaving, how I used these three products for shaving my pubic region. But let me quickly show you guys the other things that I have in my feminine hygiene kit, and also what you should have in your feminine hygiene kit. In your feminine hygiene kit, you also want to have pant liner. There is no how that you will have a kit and you will not have pant liner inside. Guys, this is my pant liner. You can get any brand. So as a girl, you need to have pant liner in your kit. Like, you need a kit, because if you don't have a kit, everything will just be scattered everywhere. When you are looking for your pant liner, you will not see it. When you are looking for your wipes, you will not see it. So it's better you have a kit where you can put everything, you know, so you can know where they are when, you know, when that time of the month come, or when you just want to use them. Okay, so you also need pant liner in your feminine hygiene kit. Then you also need wipes. Yes, you need wipes. Every girl needs wipes in their feminine hygiene kit. Like, you know, you cannot have a kit and there will not be wipes inside. Like, it doesn't make sense if there are no wipes. Okay, so you need wipes in your kit. And you also need like me, in my own kit, I put Vaseline inside. You know, if you need to, maybe you are going out with your kit, maybe you are traveling with your kit and you don't have anything to moisturize your body with, you can just use your Vaseline. This is a kit, okay, so you can use your Vaseline to moisturize your body. In my kit also, I have this small cute sponge. Okay, I just put the sponge in my kit because you never know where you would go to and you will need to shower. Okay, so there's a sponge in my kit. There's also this small deodorant in my kit. Like, you never know where you will go to and your armpit to start smelling. You need that quick something on your armpits. Okay, so this is a deodorant that I also have in my kit. I also have aloe vera gel and a shaving stick in my kit. I'm going to tell you guys, after I finish showing you guys everything that I have in my kit, I'm going to tell you guys how I shaved using Salt.xo products. And yeah, so guys, I also have aloe vera gel and shaving stick in my kit. And then I have this small perfume oil. This is the Smart Collection small perfume oil. Like, you can just like use this on your clothes. Maybe you have like odor in your body or whatever, you can just use this. So I have this small perfume. And as a girl, if you don't have these ones, you know, these ones are compulsory. Okay, in my kit, in this part of my kit, I have pads in my kit. You know, pads are very, very important, and I use Moped. So I have Moped pad in my kit. Every girl needs pad in their kits. I also have like a spare pants, You know, this is a lace pants, but guys, if you want to, like, if you are menstruating and all that, you have to use a cotton pants. Okay, so I recommend you use a cotton pants instead of using a lace pants. But my cotton pants is down my box, and I cannot start scattering my box. Okay, so guys, I have a pant in my kit. Just make sure that yours is a cotton pants. Okay, and I also have this small pocket tissue in my kit. Every girl needs this small pocket tissue. You cannot have kids and you will not put pocket tissue inside, like, really? Okay guys, so that is it for my feminine hygiene kit. Initially I was kind of worried because this scrub is like a sugar scrub, like it's sugar, like I said in the beginning of this video. It is a sugar scrub, so I was like, how can you be using sugar to scrub that part of your body? But guys, when I use this, like, what you want to do when you want to use this scrub, you have to make sure, like I said, you have to make sure you shave at the end of your shower. When you're shaving at the end of your shower, the hair follicles in your pubic region would have been very, very soft, so it will be easier to shave. So make sure you're shaving at the end of your shower, guys. And also, what you want to do when you're using these products, you can just put on your exfoliating glove and make sure your exfoliating gloves are wet. Take parts of the product out and then use it to exfoliate your vagina. And guys, let me tell you something. As you are using it to exfoliate your vagina, using it to exfoliate your body, the sugar is going to melt. It is not sugar that will not melt, so you do not have to be afraid. And these products are made for your vagina area, so you do not have to be worried about anything. Okay, if you are suffering from dark inner thighs, you know you have to exfoliate, and using this scrub is going to help to lighten your dark inner thighs. You just have to be consistent. If you are using a product and you stop, like, you're not going to see results, so you have to be consistent with exfoliation if you want to get rid of dark inner thighs. Like, with whatever you do, do not allow this product to get into your vaginal hole, but just use it to exfoliate the surface of your vagina, and also use it to exfoliate your thighs. This is going to help to lighten your thighs and also lighten your vagina, like lighten the area, exfoliating. I went ahead to use this to cleanse that part of my body. And I used to say, like I said earlier, like I used to use Dudu Osun before, but when I used this, I noticed a huge difference. This has this cooling and soothing effect, and it contains natural ingredients. It helps to fight bacteria, fight odor and all that stuff. So I use this to wash my pubic region before I actually went ahead to shave. And you all know that I use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is what works for me. You can use anything that works for you. I applied some aloe vera gel on my vagina area. I put the aloe vera gel on my vagina area, and then I took my shaving stick. If you don't want to use this kind of, like, this is a twin blade razor, but it is best that you use a men razor. But when I went to the supermarket, I did not see a men razor, so I just got this one. So whenever you are shaving your vagina area, make sure you are shaving downwards, and that was what I did. I shaved downwards. And guys, when you are shaving, make sure you don't shave repeatedly over the same area, because you are going to have cuts. Okay, so just go over the same area like twice or thrice, and then shave side to side. So that was what I did. When I was done shaving, I took my yoni gel again. I took this feminine wash, and then I rinsed out all the hairs from my pubic region. I rinsed it out very well. And when I came out of the shower, I took this Fem Rejuve oil. Guys, I took this Fem Rejuve oil, and then I put like, I think I put like 3 drops. Yes, I took like 3 drops, and then I massaged it on my vagina. Massaged it very well. Massaged it on my vaginal lips. And when I tell you that my vagina leaped for joy, like, it actually leaped for joy. My vagina actually leaped for joy. I felt so good after using this oil. And guys, there's something that I noticed from a lot of people that have messaged me on Instagram. People always used to say whenever they have bumps, they use tea tree oil. Guys, not for any reason use concentrated tea tree oil on your pubic region. You cannot just go and carry an essential oil, because tea tree oil is an essential oil. You cannot just take an essential oil and then put it on your vaginal area after you finish shaving. It is just going to burn your skin and irritate your skin. Don't use tea tree oil directly on your skin. And what I noticed about this product is that it contains tea tree oil. So it is not like concentrated tea tree oil. Like, tea tree oil is in it with other natural ingredients. So if you use this after you finish shaving, then you are rest assured that bumps you're not going to have bumps, you're not going to have ingrown hairs and all that stuff, because it actually contains tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the ingredients that I really like that is in this oil, because this is just going to help with bumps, and it is also going to help to lighten your vagina. If you have like really dark vagina, then you should get this oil, because this oil contains vitamin E, and you all know that vitamin E is very good, you know, in helping to like lighten part of the skin. So guys, make sure you are taking care of your vagina. Make sure every night before you go to bed, make sure you are sleeping without panties. Just allow your vagina to breathe, and then use this oil to moisturize her. Take care of your vagina, because it is taking care of you. You know, it is not easy to be a vagina on a woman's body. It is not easy, because she's doing everything for you. So you have to make sure you are taking care of her, and this oil is something that I really love, and I'm so happy they sent me this as part of the products to try out. They also have a range of different products, and yeah guys, you can check my description box, because I'm going to put the link to their website maybe, or to their Instagram page, so that you can go and check out their page, because they have so many different products that a girl should have. Okay, and guys, the good thing about these products is that you can use them for your body too. You can use this for your body. You can also use this yoni gel for your body. It is not just for vagina only. You can use this for your body to have popping and glowing. So guys, you can see that I'm glowing today. I use this, I just use a small, because I am managing this thing. This thing is very good, so I just have to manage it, because I don't want it to finish too much. So I'm just taking small, and it foams a lot, so you do not need a lot of products. It foams a lot, so like you using it on your body, like it is just going to foam a lot and wash you up properly. And guys, when you are doing all these things, have it at the back of your mind that you have to make sure you are taking care of your insides, because using all these products are good, but if you don't take care of your insides, then I don't know what you're doing. So make sure you are drinking lots and lots of water, because this is just going to help to detox your system and take care of your vagina. For me, I always have like a big can of water like this. For me, I always fill it up with water, and I drink this in a day. Sometimes I even drink 2 bottles of water in a day. And if you are someone that does not really like drinking water, you can just make your water a little bit fun by putting some lemons. You can put some lemons inside your water, and it's just going to change the taste of your water, and to just make you like drink water more. So if you're not a fan of water, maybe you find water very boring, you can just put limes in your water and drink water, because water is very important. If you want to have 24/7 freshness every single day, then you have to like drink water. Take care of your inside, so that your outsides will thank you for it. Showing you every single thing that is in my feminine hygiene kit. This is what you should have in your kit when you are traveling. As you are carrying your traveling bag to travel, put your feminine hygiene kit in your traveling bag. If you are going out in the night, put your kit. You don't have to take the whole kit. You can just take what you need and put it inside your handbag. But every girl needs a feminine hygiene kit. It is so important. So guys, make sure you get these products, because they are so important in your feminine hygiene routine. They are so important. And make sure you click on the title of this video. Like some people still do not know how to check the description box. Click on the title of this video, and it will take you to my description box, and every single detail on these products are going to be in my description box, and y'all should place your order for this product. So guys, make sure you place your order for these products, because they sell out pretty fast. When I'm telling you that they sell out pretty fast. So make sure you place your order for these products and join the gang, join the Salt.xo gang. Get your feminine hygiene kit, get your cute bag from a supermarket, and then put your kit inside. And when you are traveling, take your kit along with you. If you are going to school, take your kit along with you. If you are going out, take what you need from your kit and put it in your handbag, because every girl needs a feminine hygiene kit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, please come on, do your girl well by giving this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.